I'm Rico. I'm doing my video on chapter 6.6, the natural base e. E is an irrational number like pi. E equals 2.71828, but you don't need to know that because you just use it on a calculator. There's an E sign right there. So the natural exponential function is fx equals e to the x. Some examples. F2 equals e squared. So e squared, second e squared equals 7.389. E to the 1/2. Second that's the 1 divided by 2 equals 1.6487. E to the negative 1. Second e to the negative 1. E to the negative 1 equals 0.367879. 367,879. E to the 6. Second e 6. 403.4287. E to the 0.8. Second e 0.8. 2.225. Now we move on to the continuous compounding formula. It's E equals PE to the ERT. The P equals the amount invested. This amount invested. E is E. R is the rate as a decimal. And T equals time. An investment of $1,000 earns an annual interest rate of 7.6%. What is the final amount after 8 years for interest compounded continuously? So you just plug everything in. Plug. Okay. Equals 1,000 for P. E, the rate as a decimal, 0.076 times 8. Alright, do it on a calculator. Thousand times E to the 0.076 times 8. That equals $1,836.75. Find the final value of $1,500 earns an annual interest rate of 8.2%. Find the value of $500 after 4 years invested at an annual interest rate of 9% compounded continuously. So, play everything in. 500 e to the 0.09 times 4. Do it on the calculator. So 500 times e to 0.09 times 4 equals 716.664. An investment of $1,500 earns an annual interest rate of 8.2%. What is the final amount after 5 years for interest compounded continuously? Plug it in. P is the amount invested. The rate 0.082 times 5 for years. Do it on the calculator. .082 times 5. $2,260. 22 cents. Why did I have? Find the value of $100 after 3 years invested at an annual interest rate of 8.6% compounded continuously. Plug everything in. A equals $100 times E to the 0.086 times amount of years, 3. Calculator again. So 100 times E to the 0.086 times 3 equals 129.43. Alright. Find the value of $350 after 5 years invested at an annual interest rate of 6% compounded continuously. Plug it in. $350 times E times 0.006 or to the 0.006 times 5 years. Calculator again. 350 times E to the 0.006 to the 0.006 times 5. 360.66. Right. Move on to another formula. The natural logarithmic function formula. Y equals log E times X, which equals Y equals ln X. Log E Y equals X is the inverse of EX equals Y. So for this, use your calculator again. ln2. Let's go to calculator. The ln button. 2. Not complicated. 0.693. 693. ln 1/2. Calculator. ln button. 1/2. Negative 0.693. ln to the negative 1. Calculator ln negative 1. Domain error, it's undefined. Can't multiply ln by a negative. ln e to the 4th. Just plug it into your calculator. ln times e, just leave it like that, to the 4th equals 4. Two ln e squared. Last example. So ln times e squared equals 2 times 2, 4. That's it. You just use a calculator for everything in this. That's the end of chapter 6.6.